We'll guide you through how to screen record on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as you can capture what's happening on your Mac screen. What you can then do is go and send that to somebody, perhaps at your work or class, or perhaps you want to go and do this for a YouTube video working on. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this full guide is we're guiding you through the application we're going to use, which is already on the Mac, by the way, how you can go and set it up, and then how you can go and stop the recording, and how you can then go and you're going to have the video file and you can do what you want to with it. So to go and get started, we need to go and open up the application I'm talking about. So what you can do is come to the top right and press the search, and you want to go and type in an app called QuickTime Player. It's going to go and get suggested to it. You can go and press enter with that highlighted, and it's then going to open up. You may think, well, nothing's actually opened. Don't worry. What you want to do is go and hover your cursor over it. Right click or click with two fingers, and you're going to go and get some different options here. Of course, what you're going to want to do is go and press new screen recording. Now let's guide you through setting this up. So you want to go and have this option selected. This will do the entire screen, or you can do a selected window, or you could do a selected portion. I like to do the entire screen. Then you can press options over to the right. And what you can do is you can go and choose the microphone here at the bottom. So I'll choose my MacBook Pro mic. At the top here, you can also go and choose it saved. We're just going to have QuickTime Player. Then you can go and choose a timer and more options here as well. For the format, I just go and have SDR just so it's most compatible. You can show the mouse clicks if you want as well. I don't know. Then when you're ready, you can go and press record, and you're now going to be recording. You're going to see this icon at the top indicating you are. So you can then go and record what you want to. Go and record what you want to now. So you can go and open up an application and cover what you ever need to. And you can go and talk about what you need to. When you're then finished, what you can do is you can go and press the stop recording button at the top. It's then going to go and open up, as you can see, and it's also been placed on my desktop. You can go and play it back, and you can go and see it and hear it there as well. My volume's quite low, but if I turn it up, I could go and hear it. What we can then do is we can go and close it, and we've then got it on our desktop here. So this is the file. I can then go and upload this or do what I want to with it. And that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again. I look forward to catch you again in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.